For tart base, we will need 200 grams of plain flour, 75 grams of sugar, 1 egg, 100 grams of butter, which is on room temperature, a pinch of salt, and we need 1 teaspoon of baking powder and vanilla sugar. This is about probably 10 grams of vanilla sugar, and we need 1 tablespoon of rum. You can eliminate this one if you don't like, but we'll give it a nice flavor. Okay, at first I'll mix the dry ingredients together. I've got vanilla sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, mix it well, and a pinch of salt, okay. We'll add it to our mixing bowl. We'll mix everything together now after. Okay, I've got 1 tablespoon of rum. Egg. And the butter. I won't add all of it. I'll add just 3/4, then we'll see how it goes. I might not need the full amount. Now you need a spring for tin. This is 24 centimeters. You can really use a 26 or 28. I haven't got one, so if you use 28 would be better. We got our base ready, but we need some flour. Dust your hands with flour so you can work it easily. First, I buttered the base. You just spread it evenly. Make sure it goes on the sides as well. Dust your fingers. Okay, it's time to make the filling. What we need for filling is 850 grams can of apricot. We'll strain it because we will be using the juice. To this, we we will add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it well. And then we will add 1 packet of vanilla pudding. I couldn't find this kind of vanilla pudding in the supermarkets recently. I don't know what happened to it, so I bought this one from my local food market. They got it in vanilla and chocolate, but we need vanilla today. So we will mix this well until it's dissolved, then we'll move it to the stove. On medium heat, don't put it on high. We'll bring it to simmer, and but keep whisking. It will take a while, but it will get there. As you can see, started to thicken. I think it's enough. We switch it off and take it off heat. Now we'll arrange the apricots around it, the base. Just fill the gaps. And that will do. Okay, our vanilla pudding is ready. Let it cool down a bit before we pour it over the apricots. We will bake it in a preheated oven, 160 degrees, for half an hour until the pudding and everything is set and the edges of our tart base or the dough, it's golden brown. I'll put it in the oven and I'll be back. Okay, while our tart is getting baked, the base with the apricot filling, we will do the topping. We will need 3 eggs. We will separate egg white from egg yolk. We've got 200 grams of ricotta. The actual recipe uses cream fresh. I'm using ricotta for the lighter and healthier version. You can use cream fresh by all means. And we got 80 grams of sugar, and we need a pinch of salt. We will separate egg yolks from egg white. For the egg whites, we will add a pinch of salt and we will whisk it until we get soft peaks. For the egg yolk, we'll add the sugar first and we'll mix it until sugar is dissolved. You can use the same mixer, doesn't matter. You don't have to. Add ricotta. And we'll mix it. it's ready. We will add egg white to it. And we mix it. 30 minutes has passed, and I'll let it cool slightly before we add the topping, ricotta topping. And then we'll bake it further 30 minutes until the top is golden brown. We will level it. And like I said, we bake it for another 30 minutes until the top is golden brown, and we'll see you soon. Don't go away. Okay, our tart is ready. It took a little bit longer than 30 minutes, about 35 to 40 minutes to get it golden brown like that. We will leave it to cool down completely before serving it, or if you want to decorate it with icing sugar. So we will leave it, and then we'll show you the final results. And I hope you will try this recipe at home. It's really delicious and very simple. And have a lovely Christmas. I'll see you soon. Bye.